This child told his parents that he could open and close this drawer by magic. He then did a demonstration, and when his father tried, nothing happened. The father was so perplexed that he asked his mother to try as well. And once again, it didn't work. The boy continued to demonstrate, but what happens next is shocking. But wait, which of these houses would you give as gift to your mother? Ignore. Leave a like. Comments a heart. Subscribe. Do everything, press remix, and press the button at the top. The mother realizes something, opens the drawer, and looks at what she found.